Hi everyone! Yesterday my friend doubled his Ethereum on this website. He attended the giveaway with 0.1 Ethereum and he won 0.2 Ethereum. So I decided to try it with you guys. Let's start. First I will copy this link over here. Then I will paste it here. And I'm gonna send 0.5 Ethereum. Okay, I have sent my Ethereum. Now I'm waiting for the process. It may take a while. Okay, it's sent now. Yes! It worked, guys. You can see it worked. Oh my god, I can't believe my eyes. That was amazing, guys. You have to really try this one. And for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and thumbs up for this video. See you guys.